When it comes to exercising our shoulders, I like to use a shoulder mobilization, an exercise that we do again and again and again that helps to break up the sticky adhesions in the shoulder joints and prevent the shortening and the tightness in the chest muscles that roll us down and forward due to our Western lifestyles, sitting for long periods of time, working at a computer, being on our mobile devices, using social media. So this shoulder lubrication exercise is designed to help open up the short, tight muscles of the chest and strengthen the weak muscles in the upper back, the ones that retract the shoulder blades. So in fact, this isn't going to stick our chest out. It's going to permanently teach the shoulders to retract and flatten so we open the chest and get a really attractive upright stance. This is what the exercise looks like.
Grab a chair for this exercise. That will help to keep the body and chest aligned so we can focus on the shoulders. Now link your thumbs as if you're trying to pull your hands apart, but you don't. That pulling motion stays as the arms rise up as far as you can without forcing beyond, because then you get into some funny looking postures like that. When you get to your maximum, the hands come apart and the palms are facing up. Now note the position of the arms. They're slightly back, not in front or even by your sides. You're squeezing through the shoulder blades as you breathe out. Link the thumbs all the way up until you feel a block. Don't force it. Release. Palms up as you squeeze through the shoulder blades, keeping the arms slightly back. Into the third rep. All the way up. For most of you, that will be around your ears, some in front, some behind if you're really flexible. Breathing in until you feel that block. Releasing. And down. Now watch my shoulder blades here. As the arms come down, you want to see that wrinkle in my shirt. If the arms were forward, you can see the shoulder blades are way out. They should be squeezing in, coming close to the spinal column in the middle. And releasing. Linking your thumbs all the way up to the block. Breathing out, the arms come down. And you complete 20 repetitions. This is a fantastic way to regain some shoulder flexibility and reduce those round shoulders. Link until you get to the block position, release, come back round. The more you do of this, the more you'll find your arms come up by the ears or even behind over time. Enjoy this one. This is one of my faves.